Let's talk about integrating trig functions. Now, typically when you want to integrate trig functions like this, you want to relate it to a trigonometric identity. Now, looking at this identity sheet, I can relate the cosine squared term. So what I'm going to do is change this integral that we have up here to the integral of cosine squared times cosine, since cosine squared theta times cosine theta gives you cosine cubed theta. What I can then do is take this cosine squared theta and relate it to this trig identity by rearranging to get that cosine squared theta is 1 minus sine squared theta. So I can take this entire expression and plug it in for cosine squared theta. And from here, I can perform a u sub on the sine theta term. So I'm setting the sine theta equal to u. Now what I'm going to do is take the derivative of u, and the derivative of sine theta is cosine theta. So the derivative of u is cosine theta with respect to theta, and now I'm going to solve for d theta by dividing both sides by the cosine of theta, giving me that d theta is equal to du over the cosine of theta. I can take this expression and plug it in for my d theta in the original integral. And now what I can do is cancel the cosine thetas, and that leaves me with this expression. And notice in this expression we have only u variables and everything's with respect to u. So we have successfully completed this u sub.